to keep it 100 with y'all. But I wasn't going to initially vlog this, but I think I have enough footage in my phone to piece this trip together for y'all. So went back to Jamaica for one of my homeboys' 30th birthday, and this time, you know, definitely a different trip from the Hawkins Experience version of coming to Jamaica. There's definitely day and night. The Hawkinses were day. This one was mostly night. So a lot of the stuff we got into happened at night. There was a lot of drinking, like a lot. There was a lot of all-night parties. We went to a festival. We did a lot of stuff. So try to break it down as best as I can while I'm waiting on my flight to leave. But so got in Friday. Well, left Atlanta Friday. Like my flight left I think at 10. Got into Jamaica around 12.
Bar.
I think that's him right there.
Y'all, Anthony is fucked up. He's done.
As soon as we got in, we went like straight for the grill.
You okay? Interesting. I ain't jumping that water because, you know, I'm trying to tussling with this hair, to be quite honest. So that's kind of why I didn't get in the water. So yeah, but you know, had a good time there. A good pregame to what to expect for the rest of the day. Took the drive.
Welcome to Sumfest International Airport. Passengers are reminded not to leave bags unattended. Unattended bags will be confiscated and destroyed.
So, still, I think I took a little power nap on the ride back from the girl to Montego Bay. Then we got ready for a festival, Sumfest Reggae, something like that. I'll put the footage in here. It will show the name of it and whatnot. But that was a pretty interesting experience. I think this is officially my first festival. And then it was quite an interesting one. I learned some new artists that I'm actually into, I guess. I put them, there'll be footage of them performing respectively. Here.
I've done my best. Everything's alright.
We survived.
That was pretty interesting because it went all night into the day. Like I think we literally got home at like 8:30 in the morning, and we left the house I think at 12 a.m. 12 a.m. or 12:30. I don't know. Again, I'll put the right time because it's all
full of energy,
right
full of it. They put in his water.
And what else? So from that point, took pretty much another cat nap, and then got up and you know went to what did we go? Yeah, so like we were saying, Saturday we went to Margaritaville, and that was pretty lit. Like for a day, like for some day drinking, you know, and to eat some food. Yeah, and they cool to eat, drinking, you know, just shooting the shits with his family and stuff like that. Pretty chill. And then so we found out that hey, well this spot turns into a club later on. What's up? Because we were clearly with the shits, and ended up back there.
Good pussy girl, bend over. Call your man name.
Lit. Like the DJ was really good. Took us like all over pretty much. Think it was. I don't think I've ever experienced that in another country to where it was like a taste of everything, so to speak. Well, then again, we don't club. The Hawkinses do not club like that when we go out. So definitely different experience. But it was lit. Got in the house from that really late, and now I'm here rambling about the trip I just had. But just know it was on point, and can't wait for the next one. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little mini ramble on about what we did in Jamaica, or what I did in Jamaica for the last what is that, 48 hours I'll give it. So yeah, it's lit. This video is horrible. I apologize for making y'all watch this. I just had some footage in my phone that I needed to get out, so I apologize. So if you want to see the Hawkinses version of going to Jamaica, it was definitely more planned and more scheduled. We were very anal about keeping the schedule and stuff like that because we are serious about what we see. But this was kind of a more relaxed trip, go with the flow type situation for this one, and yeah, neither one is better than the other. It's just really based on the person and what you are looking for in that moment. In this moment, this was we gonna do hood rat shit with our friends and stuff like that, and we did just that. So yeah, I mean, as always, be easy. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, I don't know what else to say. Check the corner for cards. Check this corner for cards. It'll be there. I don't know, because I'm looking at myself. At the end screen, there'll be Jamaica videos, so enjoy.